Yeah, hi Dave, it's Mark at FMAV. Right, okay, so basically I will tell you what I've done, so you know exactly what I've taken out and what I haven't taken out. So this is your part here, okay, so this is your 1254, that's your one there, okay. So obviously you can see that I've wrote on there. So what I've done is I've basically, there's something wrong with it. One of these here is not working, okay. You know, it could even be the ribbon cable there. So basically all I've done, right, is I've swapped everything out, okay. There is absolutely zero difference on this, okay, because these here, like this black casing, this surround is an LF, the black part would be a 2 instead of a 3. Yeah, you know the part that come off is a vau1254 31 LF, okay. This is the metal surround part, and this hub part, this hub, so the one that I've taken off of my part here is this one here, okay, that comes with the spindle, the higher spindle. Do you get what I mean? Whereas yours is an aluminium spindle, okay. So this is your original part, this is your part, it's nothing to do with me, this is your part. I've taken it off of this part here, okay. So now I have tested this and it's working fine, so I'm going to do it while I'm giving you the repair. So okay, so basically I'm putting that on there, so that's all nice there. Let's fire this up. Yep, bang, straight in there. I can hear that straight away. Okay, so I can turn that music up for you. Can you hear that? I've also changed the cogs as well. These are the cogs here that I've taken out, okay. The black marks is what I put on there when I've actually done a repair, so I know if someone sends it back, I know it's my repair type of thing. So that part has actually come out of, well, it must have come out of a BO Sound 3200 with a bad chassis, and these things are like spanking new from B&O, with very minor use on them, and that's basically what you've got there. So this should last, well, you know what I mean, you know, you shouldn't have any issues with this for another 10 years, and let me just turn that down. With all honesty, so right, what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to leave that like that now. I'm going to upload your video so you can actually see what I've done, and I'm not going to package that up right now. What I do is I'll get it ready, I'll get your label printed out, and I will test this tomorrow morning before I send it out. Okay, it looks good, but it looked good the other day. And this is your board, the original board with a 7.6 software, was it, or something? Yeah, 7.3. Whatever software was on there is your original board at the back, okay, where the wires were soldered on, for, you know, the extra clocking or whatever you had. You bypassed the clocking on that board, so that's as original as it is to you, but you know, a newer part, if you understand what I mean. So okay Dave, well, I trust you're happy with that, and you know the cost, what I'm charging you for the extra, okay, it's no, you know, I'm being more than fair on the cost here, okay. So I'm basically charging you for this one here and this motor here.